going to Ukraine now. Oh, how are you holding up with everything? I'm glad that Ukraine people are still finding time to enjoy music and, go to contests, to go to Eurovision. Although with the war and everything happening there, they still feel like there are people that are just trying to do their best. And I mean, look at this. I'm just getting hungry watching this. It looks beautiful. Ziferblat, something like that. And the name of the song is Bird of Prey. Okay.
Zajdziesz, czy to mermę, moja ptaszka. Kryłamy bliska zlitają ważka.
Nice harmonies.
Serdenko, serce kochane, nie turbuj się. Donia dowiryła sny, ostatnimi z nas. Ja світле шукаю, гори зверну. And I call you fly, but I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who cares.
A bit flat there when it comes to singing.
Be my little bird of prey.
Okay. Kind of a retro sounding song.
Wracajmy do domu, jedna ścieżka. Skipper tańczą na nowych fly.
I like the drumming. That was a good fill.
Begging you just get on me and my little bird.
Man, the lights are flashing too much.
Where do you go? I'm begging you, please just leave. Share my heart with someone who's lost.
His falsettos.
I'm begging you,
I thought that I ran out of internet for a second.
just leave. Share
His falsettos could be a bit better.
with someone
You know,
who cares. Me and my little bird.
but I like her. She's making the song so cool. Kind of giving it a new dimension. Tell you what, I enjoyed the arrangement. A lot of different things happening. I like the short staccato, like punchiness of the chords and the drum fills and everything. One thing that I think is a bit bad is his singing is not as good as it could be. Everybody else was killing it. He was a bit flat when it comes to falsettos, and that could be a few minus points.